Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share very beautiful videos, very charming looks of this video. It's all about the gardens according videos. Gardens are backward gardens. You're looking very attractive. You're looking very beautiful and different temporary designs and different decorations related videos and more amazing, more elegant and beautiful ideas and most beautiful things and most according videos. Are you liking these stunning, these beautiful and charming videos? Hope so. I really share with you and most demanding videos, good looking charming ideas in different types of videos, in different types of ideas are always be freshness videos and different gardens according for greenery and more flowering of different colors like is the rose flowers are most demanding and most decorations are also good things and different types of decorations related videos are more attractive designs. Always be sharing most demanding videos. You looking very beautiful things in a different types of cottage like so attractive and most demanding videos. So different types of videos, always be sharing most attractive designs in attractive videos. Hope so. I really share with you and different types of ideas, different amazing, different beautiful and charming and different types of ideas are most attractive videos. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. Always be sharing most attractive and most demanding videos. You're looking very attractive and stunning designs. I'm waiting for these comments for related any next videos of these according videos. Are you like these stunning designs and different types of ideas are good looking and charming and a charming looks and different amazing videos. Hope so. I really share with according newly videos and newly designs. So elegant, so gorgeous, just looking a fantastic video in a fantastic designs. So take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all?